The federal government has reaffirmed its commitment to tackling illicit drug use and dismantling drug trafficking networks across the country. At the National Drug Use Summit in Abuja, government officials, security agencies and development partners called for a united national response to curb substance abuse and protect the nation's future. STV News correspondent Ene Anthony reports.
Speaking at the opening of the National Drug Use Summit, Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Senator George Akume, represented by the Permanent Secretary General Services, Adamu Kana, said no nation can attain sustainable development while its youths are threatened by substance abuse and addiction.
I reaffirm our unwavering commitment to every initiative aimed at preventing illicit drug use, dismantling trafficking networks, expanding access to treatment and rehabilitation, and promoting the well-being of all Nigerians.
Earlier, the chairman and chief executive officer of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Brigadier General Buba Marwa, retired, described the summit as a platform for collective action, stressing that the fight against drug abuse requires the involvement of governments, communities, families, civil society, and development partners.
Today's summit convenes as a national platform for reflection, dialogue and collective action on one of the most pressing public health and security challenges, the growing burden of drug use and substance use disorders. It stands as a fitting culmination of a week dedicated to raising awareness, deepening understanding, and renewing our resolve. And it testifies to our shared commitment to confronting Nigeria's evolving drug situation through coordinated, evidence-based, and innovative action.
The Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Alipate, urged stakeholders to ensure the summit delivers practical outcomes, while the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime reaffirmed its support for Nigeria's evidence-based approach to addressing drug use and trafficking.
The Federal Ministry of Health stands ready to take a lead, to collaborate, and to coordinate to restore our society.
This comes at a critical time. The scale and evolving nature of drug use in Nigeria is marked by emerging substance use and shifting trends. And it requires for us to act, and for us to act urgently, for us to act clearly, and for us to act with purpose.
The summit, jointly organized by the NDLEA, the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, and the UNODC, is expected to produce a coordinated national action plan to strengthen prevention, treatment, rehabilitation, and enforcement efforts.